If you bought a brand new Durango, you probably noticed that most of your truck is already LED from the factory. You might have HID headlights, but for whatever reason, Dodge decided to stick you with the old-fashioned incandescent turn signals up front. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can modernize that completely with the new GTR Lighting Canbus specific bulbs for this vehicle. And the sweet part is, you don't need resistors. So let's get started. So with the hood popped on your Durango, on the driver's side, you're gonna have to pull the airbox out. It's super simple. You can do it with hand tools. On the passenger side, you don't have to take anything apart. So I'm gonna show you the hard side first. Using a 5/16 socket, we need to loosen this hose clamp for the air filter box. And right next to that hose clamp, you're gonna see this tube right here. And just go ahead and pull that off. You can pry it off or just grab onto it. It might be loose enough to take off by hand. Tuck that out of the way. Pull this air filter tube off like so, and this air box is now ready to be lifted out. There's a couple cables and stuff like that toward the fender. Just make sure you don't hook anything on accident. Take your time, it pops right out. Set it off to the side. Now reach in and you can grab onto the turn signal socket. It's this upper one right here. Twist it counterclockwise. There's the bulb. Go ahead and pull it out and remove the bulb. Now this is what you're taking out of your Durango, and this is what you're installing. This is the GTR Lighting Carbide Canbus bulb. And the biggest reason we're using this bulb today, there's actually two main reasons. On these new Dodge vehicles, a lot of the new Chrysler vehicles, and even some of the new Jeeps, they have such a sophisticated CAN bus system that if you just go put any old bulb in there, chances are you're gonna get a hyper flash, you're gonna get a warning light in the dash, you might get a strobe effect, you might get a bulb that just doesn't even work at all. With this electrical system, it is very important that you get something that is CAN bus capable in such a way that it works with these vehicles. This bulb does that. Another thing that we love about this bulb in particular, it's very new to the market, it just came out. It is unbelievably bright. I have never seen a brighter turn signal bulb in my life. So you can see it's a large bulb. There's a lot of LEDs on it, there's a lot going on, and this thing is absolutely insane. And you've had this thing going on since you bought it. It's that dainty amber, nobody likes that. This is gonna give you that modern look, get rid of that old amber and get into something a little cooler looking. So let's get installed. All that you have to do to install this bulb is clip it right in like the original one came out. It's a nice and tight fit. The last thing you want is this thing to fall out into the headlight. These bulbs do not have that problem. Insert it back into the housing, twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Now, as you can see, it's a sweet and easy install. There's no resistors to drill into the fender or anything like that. Let's face it, everybody's sick of doing resistors on these vehicles. Now, if you need anything else for your Dodge Durango, we did a massive headlight bulb shootout for these things, the D3S bulb. If you've got factory HID, check that out. You won't believe how much brighter you can make these headlights. We've got the world's brightest reverse lights that we've installed in this thing. We've got a video on that, and you have to see it as well. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. If you're a Durango owner, we got a lot coming out for you guys. Thanks for watching.